Hello everyone. This is part of a series covering all the German driving license theory questions with explanations. I've created a playlist so you can easily find any video you missed. Subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And let's go. Alright, here's our first question. You are driving a motor vehicle with a manual gearbox. What type of behavior pollutes the environment? Take a moment to look at the options. Option A. Frequently pressing the accelerator while waiting at traffic lights. Option B. Driving downhill in a high gear. Option C. An uneven driving style. Pause the video now if you need more time to think. When you're ready, hit play and let's see the answers. The correct answers are A and C. Let's understand why. An uneven driving style, lots of sudden acceleration and hard braking, forces the engine to work harder than it needs to, burning more fuel and producing more emissions each time. Revving the engine repeatedly while waiting at a red light is just as bad because you're burning fuel while going absolutely nowhere. Driving downhill in a high gear is actually good practice, as it lets the engine brake help slow the car without using extra fuel. The rule to remember is smooth and steady saves fuel. If your passenger's all right, let's move on to the next question. Let's jump right in with the next question. You are driving a motor vehicle with a manual gearbox. How can you achieve efficient fuel consumption? Take a moment to look at the options. Option A, by having the proper tire inflation pressure. Option B, when accelerating, changing the gears upwards as late as possible. Option C, by adopting an even driving style with low engine speeds. Go ahead and pause the video to think about your answer. Resume when you're ready. The correct answers are A and C. Let's understand why. Good tire pressure and a smooth low revving driving style are both winners here because they directly reduce the energy your engine wastes. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, so the engine has to work harder just to keep moving, burning extra fuel in the process. Driving smoothly and shifting up early keeps the engine in its most efficient range, avoiding the heavy fuel demand that comes with high revs. Changing gears late, on the other hand, means you are keeping the engine spinning fast for longer than necessary, which is exactly the all right. Let's move on to the next question. Here comes the next one. What should you consider after starting your vehicle? Take a moment to look at the options. Option A. Drive off as promptly as possible. Option B. If possible, allow the engine of the stationary vehicle to warm up. Option C. Drive at low engine speeds. Pause the video here and take your time. When you've made your choice, hit play. The correct answers are A and C. Let's understand why. Modern engines are designed to warm up most efficiently under gentle load, so the best thing you can do after starting is to drive off promptly rather than letting the engine idle in one spot. Once you are moving, keep the revs low and avoid pushing the engine hard until it reaches its normal operating temperature. This protects the engine and saves fuel. Letting the engine run stationary to warm up, as option B suggests, wastes, and that wraps up our environmental protection quiz. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Check out my driving course at drivewithranjit.com/courses.